はい、やたくらトラブしたふみやたかのコミュニケーショントレーナーやヒューマンパワーユニバーシティーズたかのふみおずバイリンガル YouTube や Today is July 6th Thursday Today also I would like to inform you very important communication one point technique Today and the remaining 2 days I would like to talk on the three major harms of older people. Yeah, how to escape from to be said, oh, you are harms people, old man. So how we can do that? So I will explain to you. Yeah, how we can get rid of harmful elder man.After age around 70, yeah, elder man will be disregarded or hated by young people or other people because there are three bad characteristics. Yeah, to wipe out the bad characteristic, yeah, elder man will be accepted every people.And every organization, so that we should. I'm also, starting my elder age 70. I got age just 70. So it is talking to me in order to be accepted as the elder man. What is very important point to pay attention to? Number one.Elder man, inclined to be repeating, speaking the same topics. In my seminar, how to get rid of the 12 monsters in a meeting. 会議室の12怪人の退治法。There are special, typical elder man.Nickname is rotating training mouse 回転発火ネズミ elderly person inclined to say the same matter repeatedly because elder person will having a clot in the brain 頭に、塊ができるsmall clot will be made gradually so that brain will be low and rotating 回転が鈍くなる so that forget what I said so that repeatedly to say the same thing that is a bad aspect of elder man there are three today's number one okay how we get rid of the rotating training mass it's better if I thinks of that matter I have said, it's better to say this matter I have been talked on 言ったっけって聞けってことですよ by taking the answer okay I did I said like that point it's better to skip 言ったかどうか分かんなくなったら確認しろ That is a very important one point within a 3-year bad aspect of elder man 同じことを繰り返して言うな Thank you